Hey folks, check out our website right here below this video, shotgunnow.net. We've added some new free games, free MP3 audios, 24-hour chat room, lots of good stuff there. Some epic websites, free audio books. If you have the new Kindle Fire, the website is compatible with the Kindle Fire. Check it out, shotgunnow.net. Hey, look, I can watch TV while I'm riding. This guy's watching TV in his truck. Let's see what's on. I think The Simpsons is on. Hey, he's leaving. I can't watch the TV if he's leaving. Let's see. Well, let's get over here. Enough TV. Let's see what he's watching. I think it's a commercial. Looks like rap. Some type of rap music song. Anyways, I'll see you guys at shotgunnow.net right here. Make sure you got speakers on. Make sure that you have them on. You can hear us there, 24-hour chat room. If you want to speed up your computer, go to our links area, LINKS, and there's a guide there how to radically speed up your computer for free, different techniques and tips. If you want to get a some software to tune up your PC and keep it running like new and speed it up and get rid of any viruses, malware, whatever you got, go to shotgunnow.net, go to our free stuff area and check that out. And is that a motorcycle behind me? I'm just noticing something. It is. Let's see what he's riding. Well, I'm going to have to get in the other lane because he's not getting over. Let's see what this motorcycle rider... Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. I think he's on a Busa. One of the fastest production motorcycles in the world, I think. Let's see. Oh. I'm going to get in his way. He's going to do it. There he goes. Whoa. That guy's like, is that guy putting his brakes on in the car? Or does it just look like that? Anyways, see you at shotgunnow.net. Free software, free games, free 24-hour chat, speed up your computer, free antivirus programs, free MP3 audios, tons of stuff. Talk with us live. Do you know that when you go there right now, look at the top of the page and it'll say how many people are online at the time, and if you click that button where it says online, like it'll say 10 people, 20, 30, 40, 50 people online. That means how many people are on the website at that time and in the chat room. When you click that, that brings you right into our chat room with live people. Hang out with us, make new friends. It's awesome. Talk about the issues of the day, music, gaming, politics, religion, you name it. We are always having a great time at www.shotgunnow.net. Hope to see you there. Hey, by the way, can you guys see my camera in the left mirror here? You see the little red dot? You see that? See if I can show it to you. See that? It's right in front of my mouth. Let me see if you see it. I'm using the Kodak V as in Victor 570 camera, ultra wide angle lens, image stabilization, really good camera. You can find it on eBay and Amazon. Kodak V as in Victor 570. They don't make it anymore, but you can still find them somewhere. Anyways, I'm off like the wind here. Have a great week, guys.